Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is something very exciting for me. So as you guys know, I've been wanting a create your own American Girl for so long, but like, I don't know, it's like the price tag that kind of just drives me away from it sometimes. And it's kind of like, oh my gosh, like I want to do it, but like I'm like, it could wait, so I always hold it off and everything. But my sister actually did surprise me with this doll for Christmas, and I'm actually so excited because it's finally here, and it's been one of my dream customs. I have like 2 more customs I would want to get on the list, but this is like one of them, and I'm so excited. So it came in like this huge heavy box, and like let's get to opening. Okay guys, so upon opening, this is how it's packaged in the box. It's pretty secure and nice, and I'm just so excited. Like guys, this box is so heavy and cool, so I'm just really excited to open it and see my custom. Okay, so I do have the box in my hand. It's so nice. It's such a nice quality box, and it's the cutest thing ever. My sister put my Instagram username handle right here for the little corner, and it's so cute. Merry Christmas, Romaine. That is adorable. So definitely love the keepsake box that they give you. And I just want to tell a funny story, because she did tell me that she ended up buying this last minute, and she thought that paying for like super expensive express shipping for like $25 would have it in time. But I'm like, girl, you know this is a custom, right? Like you just wasted money, because this takes 3 to 6 weeks to like create, you know what I mean? So I just thought that was really funny. But let's get to opening, guys. Let me turn the camera down a little more so you guys can see. So it does have a really nice ribbon over here. And yeah, let's see her. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, guys. Look. Look. Oh my gosh. She's gorgeous. Wow. See, here I was thinking that I was gonna have to do like, what's it called? A custom with like, brown eyes, but then like the dark brown eyes, but I was like, no, this is so much better. She does have a little shine mark on her forehead, but it's not so noticeable. I don't really care too much about that. But here's her close up. I did get her with the freckles, pierced ears. It's the long curly ginger hair and the light brown eyes, the pinwheel eyes. So it's, oh my gosh, I just can't believe it. She's insanely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's get to opening. Look how pretty she is. Like, she's literally insane. Like, I'm speechless. She's perfect. And I know that usually with these just mold customs, that it could sometimes come out really wonky. Like, I've seen a few people unbox and like post, and like sometimes the eyes just be looking so wonky, looking all over the place. But not her, not her, not today. She looks so good. She's absolutely perfect. Everything is perfection, and I'm so glad and lucky that I didn't get a bad doll. So yeah, let's get to it. Her hair is tangled. Oh wow. These boxes are so much easier to open. Instead of like the little like plastic elastic that kind of hurts, they're using just like rubber elastics here, so it's so much easier. See guys? This is what spending $200 will get you. Even an easier opening. Okay, so let's take these off. Oh my gosh, that new doll smell. She's insane. Okay, let's unveil this. What's this little spot that's in my paper? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. She is so beautiful. I just can't, like, my sister did show her to me, like, what's it called? The little picture when she created it, because she couldn't wait anymore because it wasn't gonna come on time. And seeing her in person, I literally cannot. She just, oh my gosh. She's a perfection in a doll. Like, I've never had these light brown eyes before. They're so perfect with the freckles, with her gorgeous ginger hair. Like, can you just look at her? Just look at the hair and take her all in. Like, I literally cannot. So this is a pretty standard outfit. For the creature own, I think this one's like the best one. All the other ones are kind of weird. So this one's definitely good. And then, whoop! Almost dropped it. And then now I'm just gonna open the accessories. It is packaged below in this little box right here as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. And let's see what we have here. So we do have a little coffee cup. It's really cute. It says American Girl Cafe on it. So it's a little coffee cup. And then looks like this is a necklace or a bracelet or something. And it has a butterfly on it, so it's really cute. A little pen that has American Girl on it. And then her headband. So that's cute. And then I believe it's a little journal. So that's what the pen is for. That is so cute. Like this mini journal, guys. It's so adorable. It has real paper inside. And then I do have this little purse that came with it. I think this is such an adorable accessory. Like, you guys could barely even see it, but here it is. It's really cute and it has a chain. Her little YSL moment. So obviously I'm obsessed to the max with her, and I'm just gonna put this headband on her so we get the full fantasy. I don't know why there's a huge tag on it, but okay. Oh my gosh. Guys, can you just look at her? She's just the whole vibe and fantasy. She's amazing. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so funny. You know how like every American Girl, like every like truly me, every American Girl right now, they have like kind of like the really cheap polyester underwear. These Creature Owns, they give you like the luxurious cotton underwear. Like, wow. She got good underwear. And the cloth body, amazing. Quality as always. Oh, she's just incredible, guys. Like, this is my first Creature Own and I'm just so gagged. Like, I'm thinking to myself, like, why haven't I done this before? You know what I mean? Like, this makes me just want to like save up to get the other customs on my list. I was thinking to do next like a classic mold with tan skin, gray eyes, and long curly black hair. Like that's what I want next. And I also want another tan Jess mold with gray eyes, and I want her to have the ash blonde hair. But this one, I just can't believe it. Like, she's amazing. I think a ginger Kanani mold is just like everything. So yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my review. And yeah, goodbye. From me, Corinne, and I don't know her name yet, guys, actually, so I'm gonna need you guys to help me name her. So leave your suggestions down below on what you think I should name this new beauty. And yeah, I really hope we could find her name together, guys. That would be really special to me. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay, guys, so there was one little aspect that I forgot to show you, and that is another cool thing that you will have when you have a custom doll, and that is the one-of-a-kind stamp on her foot. And it's just so cool because, you know, your doll's unique, obviously. She's one of a kind, so yes, thank you guys.